Corrosion and degradation in pumps can significantly impact their performance, leading to increased running costs and decreased efficiency. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to rebuild a damaged pump with Belzona 1111 Super Metal and then coat it using Belzona 1341 Super Metal Glide to increase efficiency and ensure long-term protection. First, to prepare the surface, grit blast the substrate to the requirements of SSPC SP10. Masking tape can then be applied to define the application area and ensure a neat, clean finish. Belzona 1111 Super Metal is a two-part paste-grade material designed for metal repair and resurfacing. Reinforced with a silicon steel alloy, it also has excellent corrosion and chemical resistance. Measure out the base and solidifier at a ratio of 3 parts base to 1 part solidifier, and then mix together using a figure of 8 motion to achieve a uniform material free of any streaks. Using a short bristled brush, apply the Belzona 1111 Super Metal using a scrubbing motion to avoid any air entrapment and ensure maximum penetration of the surface. More product can then be applied until all pitted and eroded areas are completely filled. Remove the masking tape and allow to cure. Now to reform the wear rings. First, apply 3 coats of Belzona 9411 release agent to the wear ring of the impeller. Be sure to allow the release agent to dry between layers. Then, mix more Belzona 1111 Super Metal. Using a short bristled brush, apply the Belzona 1111 Super Metal. Wet out the prepared surface with a thin layer, pushing it hard into the profile with a brush. Also apply the product to the wear ring of the impeller, which you have prepped with release agent. Apply a further layer of Belzona 1111 Super Metal onto the wearing ring seat, allowing the material to form a peak along the center line. Lower the rotating element of the pump into position. The product on the wear ring will form its exact shape on the pump body. Once this has cured, the rotating equipment can be removed. Allow the Belzona 1111 Super Metal to cure before dressing down any excess material. Now it's time to coat the pump interior with Belzona 1341 Super Metal Glide. Apply the first coat using a stiff, short-bristled brush, and use a long-handled brush for any hard-to-reach areas. A second coat should be mixed and applied in the same manner within the overcoat window. Remove the masking tape and allow the product to cure. By following these steps, you can effectively repair a pump using Belzona 1111 Super Metal and apply Belzona 1341 Super Metal Glide, thereby enhancing efficiency, extending asset life, and maximizing overall performance. Consult your local Belzona distributor to discuss the Belzona materials that best fit your service conditions.